Great companies don't happen by accident. They're built on culture. At USP&E, that culture has a name. G.O.A.T. Not just the greatest of all time, but the values that drive everything we do. Grit, ownership, agility, together. Because in frontier markets, talent alone isn't enough. You need the mindset to perform when conditions get tough. Grit means we don't walk away when the road disappears. Ownership means we stand behind every project, every promise. Agility means we move fast without losing precision. And together means we win as one system. At USP&E, G.O.A.T isn't just a set of values. It's the engine that turns ambition into performance. G.O.A.T represents the mindset behind our momentum. G.O.A.T represents the unity behind our results. G.O.A.T represents our lifeblood. And that is our culture. Powering possibility, built for the frontier. USP&E.